Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today we're going to talk about autonomous cars. Not necessarily Tesla, which has autopilot and very advanced adaptive cruise control and all that. Other cars are having technologies like that. There's a lot of in development. And my question is it even possible? I saw a video, an interview with Steve Wozniak, the co-founder of Apple, a very impressive guy. And he's a Tesla Model S, I believe, owner. And he said that he feels that he was duped by, not necessarily by Tesla, but all these promises of autonomous car. And he thinks that autonomous cars are, and when I say autonomous, is a car with no wheel, that you sit in the back or in the front and the car does everything by itself, take you from point A to point B. And he said that he doesn't think, and I start to think that, I tend to agree with him, that autonomous cars are just not going to happen. Because the roads, obviously created by human, it's not a natural thing. You can have autonomous airplane, they can take off and land by themselves because they are in the natural environment. It's not, the sky is not man-made, okay, it's natural. So he thinks that having the 4 cameras and then the 8 cameras and then the 16 cameras and all this is just not possible. Autonomous vehicles are just not possible because it does require your attention. I have made several videos about my opinion and my experience. Forget my opinion. My experience with autopilot. It is borderline dangerous. Borderline dangerous. You have to have your attention, and once it needs your attention for massive glitches that can happen, I can give you many examples. Then it's not autonomous. The adaptive cruise control, for example, is fabulous. You need to pay attention, of course, but it is very, very reliable and it's very predictable. Not the autopilot, not any of autopilot's anything that is on the market right now, because the roads are human being creations. Okay, and it's just not possible. And the more I drive this Tesla Model 3, the more I engage in autopilot and all that. And when I put an autopilot, my anxiety level goes up. Okay, that what is it? What something crazy it's going to do? How it's going to react? So, having said all of this, it's not like we should give up. It has a lot of good functions. Is autonomous technology even possible? He said no, and I said no so far, unless something incredible happened. Well, I'm not a scientist. My channel is about real world experiences. I don't predict anything. I tell you what I see, and sometimes I see a lot of videos of guys about autopilot and the present. It's amazing. It's crap. It's not true. You put autopilot, you became anxious because you never know what's going to happen. Okay? I'm not saying not to use it, shouldn't be available, but I'm saying it's not there by a long shot in terms of, you can set it up and just chill and there you go. No, it's not there completely. Let alone autopilot. Let alone full autonomous with just, you have nothing to do. Tell me what do you think. Tell me what's your opinion. It's really important that we discuss this issue, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And don't forget to support this channel by becoming a patron. I'll see you tomorrow with another video.